her. Kick her. Both arms. Both legs. Come on. There you go. Good. Keep her going.
It was fast.
No. Cluck to her. She stopped. Kick her. Squeeze with a good job. If you want to go faster. Okay. What do? Both legs you squeeze. Squeeze both legs. Tell her to walk on.
Walk on.
Cluck to her.
You go faster and faster.
Cluck to her. Kick. Kick, kick. Both legs.
Oh.
There you go.
Yeah.
Scoot up closer. There you go. Keep walking.
You go faster.
Well,
You go faster.
well, kick her. Kick her, kick her.
Go faster and faster.
Mm-hmm.